Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your JBL Tune 115. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your right earbud. So there is touch control located right here and right here. So you press one time and you pause the song, you press one more and you play a song. To play next track you should press one time on your left earbud. So one time, and as you can see it worked. To play previous track you should press two times on your left earbud. 1, 2. And it also works. Also what we have, if you press two times on your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So 1, 2. And now as you can see Siri is awake, so it works. Also we can mute and unmute the microphone. So right now as you can see we have these waves, so it means that it's unmute. And to mute it, just press and hold for at least 2 seconds on your right earbud. Here we go, and now as you can see I speak and there is no waves, so it's mute, and to unmute it press and hold again for at least 2 seconds. And as you can see right now again we have these waves. Also you can answer the call or finish the call by pressing one time on your left or right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!